Hi, my name is Gen Itoh. This is the look for our new bedhead collection. To start the look, I applied motor mouth as a cutting agent and comb it through. That's the cut. I took a delta section from the high point of recession to above the occipital bone. And I separated the back from the front with a radial subdivision. Then I took a center vertical section.
Let's bring the house down.
Comb and elevated the hair 90 degrees to the head and point cut round to the head shape. I continued with pivoting section towards the side, using the guide from the center, work consistently until the ear level is reached on both sides of the head.
Let's bring the house. Let's bring the house down.
And repeat the same technique on the opposite side. At the back, I took central profile parting. Behind the ear, I over-directed each section forward to the previous, while gradually increasing elevation to maintain length towards the center back.
Let's bring the house down.
Note the change of body position and repeat the same technique on the opposite side.
Let's bring the house.
Using a razor, I reshaped the fringe freehand. I used the TIGI Pro small powder brush to blow dry the hair flat. As I dried, twisting the large section of the length to create the movement. Then I used parallel point cutting to detail the shape.
Let's bring the house down.
To create the seamless effect, I used control slicing through the surface of the length. And I applied manipulator to add texture and shine to the hair.
Let's bring the house.
To finish, I sprayed the Oh Bee Hive to create movement.